Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Amazon Basics medium duty box, and I'm going to be comparing it to medium duty boxes by Staples and Banker's Box brand. And there's some really interesting differences that I'm going to be getting into. I've got a whole playlist of videos like this on all the different variations of these boxes on my channel, and so you might want to check that out as well. But let's get into what's special about these. The key thing that's special is the internal reinforcement. These have reinforced walls that fold over, and you don't see that in the other brand medium duty boxes. So here's the medium duty Banker's box, and it is a little bit harder to open them when they have these tabs, but the tabs make them more secure, so it's a little bit of a trade-off. So that's what this looks like. It only has a single thickness, and this is really a significant difference in how flexible it is when you have a single layer versus two layers. So we'll put that to the side, and then same thing with Staples. It doesn't have that reinforcement. So the Amazon medium duty is actually a really good deal. And I have not been able to figure out from like a mechanical engineering point of view what makes the heavy duty significantly better than this medium duty, because the key difference with heavy duty boxes like the Staples or the Banker's Box heavy duty is that they also have that internal reinforcement. That's kind of the key structural difference. So if you're looking just for what's the best deal, I would say the Amazon medium duty, there's a very good argument to be made that it's the best deal out there right now. And one of the interesting things I looked at is, you know, who is making Amazon basic stuff, because Amazon, as far as I know, they're not manufacturing most of their stuff. And so what I noticed with the Amazon light duty is that it's literally exactly the same as the Banker's Box light duty. And the way you can tell is there's a number of things, but the most basic one is this drawing. This set of drawings is exactly the same as the Banker's Box light duty drawing. And it's also got that recycling logo in the black. So it's not like you're sacrificing quality and getting some sort of mystery meat Banker's Box. It's literally the exact same thing at a discount. And so it looks, the medium duty is not the same, so I don't know where they're getting these from, because if you look at the Banker's Box medium duty, it has this flap, and it's also on the bottom. It's very different. So it's definitely not the same box. I don't know if for sure, but the bottom of this box also looks just very, it feels very strong. And so the reason, by the way, I should mention, there's a spreadsheet on my website where I did the internal dimensions, external dimensions, and thickness of all of these boxes, the pricing, what's the best price per box when you're getting them in different size bundles, Amazon links to everything, alternative links if it's not sold on Amazon. Just hours and hours worth of research if you're price shopping and comparing these things. I've done all that for you in the spreadsheet. It's completely free. It's on my website, and there's nothing like it out there, which is why I created this whole spreadsheet and video system series. So I should mention, as I just show you all the pieces of this, I have a lot of experience using these boxes, and I actually teach courses that have been taken by tens of thousands of students on how to organize your life, both your physical and digital stuff. And most of the systems out there, they're either from home organizers and it's just organizing your physical stuff, or it's from people doing digital stuff and they're just showing you how they organize their digital files. My system is the only one really out there that combines the two and integrates everything into one system. So you can check out my website if you want to learn more about that. And there will be links to a playlist down below where I have a bunch of other stuff on my channel on the other brands of boxes and other stuff within this space of organizing stuff. So whether this is for a storage unit or storing in your basement or your attic or a second home or your office or any combination thereof, this system is going to help you. And I find using these boxes just for basically everything, kind of like modal 20-foot, 40-foot cargo boxes on those big shipping container ships. Those 20-foot containers are kind of the equivalent of that for storing your physical stuff beyond just files and folders. So what I especially like about these is that you'll find that, especially for denser materials, denser, heavier stuff, especially like electronics or anything that's just heavier, using a single ply box, you're not going to be able to store them that high, and they're just going to get wrinkled up and sort of beat up over time. The light duty boxes are really only meant for storing either very lightweight stuff like clothing. Lightweight boxes can be really good for because they're very lightweight and not very dense at all. But heavier stuff, once you want to stack it like 5 or 7, you basically, ideally, to use all the space, you want to be able to stack up to the ceiling or pretty close. And so if there's going to be any significant weight involved, then you really want that double ply wall on the sides. And so this solves that problem cheaper than anything else besides a heavy duty box, which you're going to need to pay more for. And so these are a really good option for that if you're looking to save some money. And they're the only brand that does that at the medium duty level. So that's the key thing. So I'll leave it there. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you want me to review anything else, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to get more content like this. And I'll see you in the next video.